In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create automatic leaderboard in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a live, auto-sorting list that always shows your top performers at the top. Without any manual updates, first, open your spreadsheet and set up your source data. Create one column for your product names or people's names, and a second column for their values or scores. Use clear headers in the first row so it's obvious what each column contains, and enter a few sample entries so we have data to work with. Keep in mind, the values column should be numeric for sorting to work correctly. Next, create a new tab to display the results. Click the plus icon to add a sheet and name it Leaderboard. This tab will pull from your source data and show everything in rank order automatically, so you never have to copy and paste. Now, let's apply the sort formula on the Leaderboard tab. Click into a blank cell where you want the sorted list to begin. Type an equal sign, then enter the sort function. Select the range from your original sheet that includes both the names and the values. Then specify which column to sort by, and set the final argument to false to sort in descending order. Here is what's happening. Cell is the range with names and values. 2 tells Sheets to sort by the second column in that range, and false ensures the highest values appear first. Close the bracket and press enter. Instantly, your leaderboard shows the top values at the top. And any changes you make in the original sheet will update here immediately. To add a rank number that updates on its own, we'll use an array formula in the Leaderboard tab. Click the cell, type an equal sign, then enter array formula with an if that checks for blanks, and use row -1 to produce a neat sequence. This fills the rank column automatically. If a row in the sorted list is empty, it stays blank, otherwise, it shows 1, 2, 3, and so on. The row -1 makes the first data row show as rank 1 when your headers occupy row 1. If your data starts on a different row, adjust the number you subtract accordingly. That's it. Thanks for watching.